We're feeding your babies. So we have, here's Lily. Here's Milo. Here's, which red one's this? I can't see your face. Oh, that's the red, solid red girl. Then we have Midnight, if you can even see them. And then right next to Midnight is Callie. Then we have Candy. Then we have Lulu tucked in there. And then we have the little white girl. And Maggie's just a good mama feeding all your babies. Your tails are wagging, Mags. Are you happy, girl, Maggie? Are you a happy girl? Your tail wagging, Maggie? Yes, your tails are wagging. You're mama's girl. You're feeding the babies. What a good mama. What a good mama. What a good mama you are. Feeding all 8 of your babies.